Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing this QASA dry iron. It's your 300 watts iron, and I'll be showing you what to expect in the pack when you get it, and I'll also be reviewing the advantages and the disadvantages of this iron. So stick to the end of this video. Before you purchase this iron, you need to be sure of all the informations I'm going to give you here. You need to have them handy. So first, it comes with a warranty card, which is a 1-year warranty. So this iron has a 1-year warranty on it, and then this is how the iron comes. It equally comes with a manual. So this manual is just a user guide. You read the instructions and then pick what's valuable there. So then this is the iron. This is what it looks like. Now I've used this iron for about a month, and I really have some observations I've made about this iron, which the observations are the fact that it doesn't consume energy. It's energy saving. So if you want to save light or energy bills, if you want to reduce the amount of money you pay for your bills, you may consider getting this iron. It's a very, very portable iron. It's lightweighted, it's not heavy, and another thing is that the iron can work with inverter. Yes, it can work very well on inverter because it works on my inverter perfectly well. So, and again, it's meant for light clothes, only for light clothes. You can't iron thick or strong fabrics with it. The reason is because it doesn't have much heat. So the heat on this iron is just moderate enough to iron your clothes. It cannot possibly burn your clothes even at the highest current, because I use it at the highest always, but still it hasn't been able to burn any clothes. So it will make your ironing slower, not really slower, but a bit slower. Yes, it won't be as fast as the ones that get seriously hot and burn clothes. So if you are a suit maker, this iron might not be the best for you, because I don't use this iron for making suits. Whenever I'm making suits, I keep this iron aside and pick the old ones I have, which is the ones that consume light. So the reason being because it will take more time to iron my suits with this iron, because it doesn't iron fast. So that is just the disadvantages of the iron. So in terms of energy saving, it saves energy perfectly well. So I will advise you to get it, and it's also affordable. It's not expensive. So I think that is all for the iron. Thank you for watching this video. I will also be reviewing other products of energy saving irons and inverter irons. So subscribe to this channel and wait for more videos. Thank you.